Welcome to the Boston Luxury Homes YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a $5 million harborfront penthouse featuring a private balcony, multiple exposures with stunning views in 3 directions, and access to over 50,000 square feet of resort-style amenities. This in-depth video review will cover features, finishes, amenities, and location of this ultra-luxury residence. Really quick, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor here in Boston. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city and suburbs. If you would like to come tour this or other homes in the building, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, please reach out anytime. We are here inside Penthouse 3B at Echelon Seaport, a 2020 constructed mixed-use development. This specific floor plan offers 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a den and balcony, spread across 2,164 square feet with 2 garage parking spaces. Seated on the 21st floor, this residence features striking views primarily to the south, but also partially north and east from the bedrooms. The floor-to-ceiling window panels allow for natural light and great views over South Boston and all the way to the Blue Hills. An open concept living dining area measuring 20 by 29 feet with a wet bar is the perfect place to unwind after a long day or host gatherings. Framing the living room, a structural column and subtle change in ceiling plane create a gentle threshold to the dining and kitchen zones. The continuous ivory oak wide plank engineered floors carry you forward so the spaces feel distinct without ever breaking the visual flow. The dining area sits right on the window line, perfectly positioned between the lounge and balcony so you can serve from the kitchen in a few steps, keep conversations going on the sofa, and still have that full sweep of the skyline in view. Now in the kitchen, a clean, modern workspace with high-gloss, flat-panel cabinetry and a full-height marble book-matched backsplash. The storage blends seamlessly into the walls, creating a sleek, uninterrupted flow that mirrors the architectural precision seen throughout the residence. A standout feature of the kitchen is the state-of-the-art suite of fully integrated, Wi-Fi-enabled Gaggenau appliances, a hallmark of Echelon Seaport's penthouse collection. These chef-inspired systems include a paneled refrigerator and freezer, 5-burner cooktop, convection oven, and speed oven, all designed with professional-grade performance but tailored for a luxury residential setting. The appliances disappear effortlessly into the cabinetry, maintaining a streamlined aesthetic while still offering incredible capability. The countertops are clad in premium marble slabs, chosen as much for their durability as for their visual impact. The veining and finish introduce subtle movement and natural character, making the spaces just as striking as they are practical. A spacious kitchen island anchors the kitchen, providing not only an ideal prep and cooking station, but also doubling as a casual dining and entertaining space for pouring a glass of wine, staging a meal, or enjoying a morning coffee while looking at the views. Now in the second bedroom, which measures 12 by 15.5 feet, that shows southern views but also features sights of the harbor. This guest suite comfortably fits a queen-size bed, 2 nightstands, and has plenty of closet space. The ensuite bathroom features a glass walk-in shower with book-matched gray marble tiles, a floating vanity, and radiant heated floors. Now discussing the building, Echelon Seaport is the largest residential development in the Seaport District in South Boston waterfront area. This modern building consists of 2 towers, 133 and 135 Seaport Boulevard, that contain over 440 luxury homes completed in 2020. These 2 combined towers are 22 stories tall, developed by Cottonwood Management and designed by CBT and KPF architects. Located in the dynamic Seaport District, this architectural marvel captures the essence of contemporary design, blending seamlessly with its urban surroundings. The building offers an unrivaled living experience, combining exquisite craftsmanship, great views, and many world-class amenities. With a sleek facade and clean lines, the building's presence stands out but also fits in with the other modern developments that can be found within the Seaport District. The residences at Echelon Seaport are all modern and elegant. The homes were designed to ensure every single square foot of space is put to use. The open concept units feature floor-to-ceiling windows, marble stone countertops, and wide plank white oak floors. As mentioned, the units are split up into two towers, 133 Seaport with 255 residences and 135 Seaport with 192 residences. 133 Seaport's lobby, designed by Jeffrey Beers, offers a dramatic and elevated design experience right from the entrance on Seaport Boulevard. With double-height ceilings, the lobby exudes a sense of sophistication. The combination of exotic marbles, warm woods, and intriguing metals creates a richly textured environment, inviting residents to socialize or greet guests. The lobby embraces the art of hospitality with a warm, inviting, and comfortable atmosphere. Echelon Seaport sets itself apart by its unique design and architectural concept that combines residential living, retail shopping, and communal spaces into one complex. This integration of different functions creates a dynamic and vibrant environment, setting it apart from traditional residential buildings in Boston. Echelon Seaport features a common space in the middle of the two towers. This area serves as a hub for socializing, relaxation, and recreation for residents. It includes landscaped gardens, outdoor seating and dining spaces, as well as several retail shops. This spot is a gathering point, promoting interaction among residents and fostering a sense of community within the complex. It provides a serene and inviting oasis within the urban surroundings, allowing residents to unwind, connect with neighbors, and enjoy being outside. The 440 residences in between the two connected towers are a mix of studios to 3 bedrooms, with prices ranging from $900,000 to $6 million. There are currently 10 remaining units directly from the developer, never lived in and ready for immediate occupancy. Of course, there are also resale units available on the market. If you'd like to see any of the homes here for sale, please message me and we can tour the building together. The primary suite of this home sits on the corner of the building and has views of downtown Boston and the surrounding Seaport district, looking down Seaport Boulevard. Measuring 15 by 14.5 feet, the room fits a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and a chair. The tray ceilings, also seen in the living room, elevate the sense of space. A large walk-in custom-built out closet connects the primary to the ensuite, which also faces downtown Boston. This bathroom has an enclosed toilet, standalone soaking tub, walk-in glass shower, dual floating vanities with backlit LED mirrors, and radiant heated flooring. Echelon Seaport is located right in the center of Boston's Seaport District and is considered one of the landmarks of the neighborhood. The Seaport District is one of the most popular places to live right now, being minutes from downtown Boston and right on the harbor. The area is a hotspot among people of all ages and backgrounds for its nightlife, shopping, and dining scenes. In terms of demographics, the Seaport attracts mainly a crowd of young professionals who work in tech, finance, or healthcare. This group is mainly attracted by the luxury buildings, such as Echelon Seaport and upscale amenities in the district. 40% of Seaport residents are between the ages of 25 and 34. In addition to young professionals, the Seaport has also seen a growing number of empty nesters and retirees. 23% of Seaport residents are over the age of 55. Given its proximity to Boston and Cambridge, home to MIT, Harvard, BU, and Suffolk, the Seaport also attracts international students and college students who choose to live off campus. As seen on the map, there are countless restaurants, shops, and cultural attractions immediately outside the doorstep of Echelon Seaport. The Seaport is a massive hub for innovation, being home to many startup companies as well as headquarters for several Fortune 500 companies. Residences at Echelon Seaport come with an array of amenities designed to cater to residents' every need. The development boasts over 50,000 square feet of amenity spaces, designed by Jeffrey Beers International. Within the complex, there are outdoor spaces, luxurious lounges, and state-of-the-art wellness facilities. In fact, Echelon Seaport has the second most amenities out of all the luxury buildings in Boston, right behind Winthrop Center. Echelon Seaport has a staff employed by the Regent Hotels and Resorts, known for their unparalleled hospitality standards, that manage and oversee residential services. From expertly trained concierge services to spa technicians, the Regent Touch ensures that residents receive high-end service and personalized attention. The front desk concierge is available 24 hours per day to ensure resident needs are met promptly. This includes package and mail reception, in-unit maintenance requests, and reserving lounges for private parties. The outdoor amenities at Echelon Seaport are very remarkable. The spaces include manicured gardens, dining areas, and poolside sun terraces with cabanas. Whether you want to relax amidst the greenery, dine outdoors, or relax by the pool, the outdoor spaces provide a retreat within the heart of the city. Echelon Seaport offers 3 distinct pool experiences, each designed to provide a design-centric sanctuary for residents. These pools add an element of luxury and relaxation that transform the development into an urban resort. Inside Echelon Seaport, social lounges overlook the outdoor gardens and amenities. These spacious and elegantly designed lounges have high ceilings and rich architectural details that create a sophisticated atmosphere for residents to relax or host private gatherings. Another unique space is the Library Lounge, with curated artwork and photography, offering comfortable seating areas for residents to read or get work done. Also in the amenity space is a private dining room, featuring a chef's kitchen and wine tasting space. The temperature-controlled wine storage room, with custom wood and glass cabinetry, offers an inviting space for residents to savor and host wine tastings. Fitness and wellness are prioritized at Echelon Seaport. The 8,500 square foot wellness center offers fitness facilities and a tranquility spa with indoor and outdoor treatment areas. A gym with elite fitness equipment, machines, as well as a private yoga and stretching room allow residents to stay active. There is also an indoor basketball court and a cutting-edge golf simulator, which is used by professional golf players. Echelon Seaport also includes an exceptional pet amenity program that goes above and beyond. A dedicated outdoor pet run and play area provide a space for residents' animal companions. Additionally, a pet spa is available for grooming services, ensuring that pets are treated with the utmost care and attention. For families with children, Echelon Seaport's Family Play Center was designed with kids in mind. This engaging space offers many activities and dedicated outdoor play areas. Overall, this home is a great option for those wanting to live in a convenient location with quick access to downtown Boston. Residents have everything they need just steps away. Again, if you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove, concierge level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condos, such as the one we toured today. However, I do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the property in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.